Kumusta mga boss? Ito bago na naman introduce natin ang Nico Meme. Grabe guys, sobrang astig nito. Ito na kayong contract address, pwede na kayong mag-invest. And guys, okay, may mga explosive growth rewards at meme static investor daw dito guys to admit. Kumusta mga boss? Ito na Nico Meme. Guys, bago na naman tong project na to. At guys, ito na yung contract address niya. Pwede nyo makita yan sa CoinGecko. Ayan, CoinMarketCap pink sale, no? So, guys, ito na. Okay, 3 days na lang, pre-sale na, no? So, big potential na naman to, okay? Make sure you connect your MetaMask on pink sale and you can start in 3 days, no? So, for example, guys, you will invest 100 BNB, it's up to you, or 10 BNB, pero ang pinaka-max na nakalagay dito is 5 BNB. So, if you want to invest more than 5 BNB, at least gumamit kayo ng ibang wallet guys, no? So, guys, ayan na nga yung Nico Meme, no? Panoorin natin trailer mga boss, no? Kung titingnan nyo, talagang malaking potential to dahil may staking pool at highly rewarding APY. So 50%, 100%, 200% halving, no? At 0% buy and sell tax, experience team, marketer, ayan, sex listing. So guys, napaka-cute tang meme coin na to, no? So siyempre alam nyo naman yung mga nangyayari sa mga meme coin guys, no? Kaya kailangan mga boss mag-aaral muna kayo, mag-dior kayo lagi at invest nyo lang kaya nyo mawala, no? So yun yung Nico Meme, no? So audited sila, no? At na KYC, no? Para sakpo, no? So guys, tandaan nyo na crypto lover at professionals yung mga gumawa nito, no? At least aware kayo mga boss at maraming possibilities, features at re-review natin yung white paper guys. So NKM ang pangalan ng token. Okay, yan yung contract address. And of course, total supply, ayan. So kung titignan nyo yung tokens for pre-sale and liquidity, ayan. So soft cap 50 BNB. Okay, so baka natin yan. Listing PancakeSwap malilis, okay? PancakeSwap malilis, abangan nyo. Meron din affiliate program. Guys, pwede kayong mag-affiliate and earn, guys. So, yun yung token, no? So, 100 billion tokens ang total supply. Guys, abangan natin to. Sobrang astig talaga. Okay, so 2% airdrop, 5% dev, 4% lock, no? Lock for 90 days yung CX listing at public sale 25%, 60% treasury. Okay? Para at least aware kayo sa distribution nitong Nico Meme na to. Okay guys? So, napaka-detailed din ng tokenomics nila and audited sila, listed sila. Kung titignan nyo dito guys, okay, napakaganda ng graph, no? So, as you guys see, okay, substantial portions distributed and of course, meron din allocation. Okay, may APY din, no? Kung titignan nyo, 200% APY. Wow, guys! Super high, no? So, kung titignan nyo yun guys, yan yung staking pool, no? At least aware kayo guys. Okay, para alam nyo guys, no? Sa Nico Meme, walang limit talaga. So, sobrang ganda. And kung titignan nyo dito, meron silang Telegram group. Guys, make sure you join the Telegram group now. Okay, let's make them bigger. Okay, ayan nga yung Telegram group nila para at least aware kayo. Okay, nandiyan na lahat. YouTube channel, claim airdrop. Okay, guys, para at least magawa nyo lahat ng kailangan nyo gawin. So, yan guys, no? So, guys, kung ready na kayong malaman pa, no? So, may Twitter sila. Follow natin, guys, no? Let's make them bigger. Abangan natin pink sale June 30. Okay, so malapit na yung June 30 guys. And of course, listing submitted na rin. Join kayo sa Discord nila, 10,759 members. And guys, sobrang big potential talaga nito. Okay, make sure you subscribe also their Telegram channel. Let's make them bigger. And yan na nga guys, no? Sobrang big potential na naman nitong project na to. Pero syempre guys, re-review natin, no? Para yan yung general chat, no? So kung ready na kayo ma-review yung mismo project, yung white paper, samahan nyo ako boss. Let's go! So guys, kung titignan nyo Nico Meme, no? Kung titignan nyo yung Nico Meme guys, 1000x daw to yung potential. Okay, so abangan natin yan kung totoo ba. And of course, may treasury dyan. And of course, ito yung white paper guys na review natin. So yung summary lang na white paper, okay, nagbe-benefit lahat dito. Stakeholders, investors, and of course yun yung tokenomics, no? 100 billion. Sobrang dami guys. So sobrang big potential nito. Okay, of course, investing lang kaya nyo mawala. And kung mag-invest kayo, you can invest starting 1 BNB if you want. Okay, the choice is up to you. magkano yung papasok nyo. Kung 0.1 na yung budget ninyo, pwede rin, no? Pero mas maganda guys, 5 BNB kung malaki yung budget ninyo. Of course, nasa inyo pa rin yan. And ito yung roadmap, no? So, abangan natin yung listing decks, no? Tapos na yung DF stacking, abangan natin yung volunteer program launchpad. And of course, naka-develop na rin ng D-app, no? So, nag-enable sa stake ng Nicomium tokens. Very big deal. Okay? And of course, may pa-airdrop, fair launch, ayan, market analysis. So, abangan natin CX listing, website rebuild, NFT, community governance, deploy, okay, collaboration, and Nico Chain swap launch. So, abangan natin yan guys. Ayan yung FAQ, no? So, guys, sobrang big potential. Abangan nyo, stay updated, and check nyo rin yung audited by console.net to, no? Para at least aware kayo. So, yan yung kanilang FAQ, guys. Okay, so napakadali lang. Kung may katanungan kayo, you should go to their Telegram, okay, channel, and kung titignan nyo guys, ayun yung mga iba ibang mga features nila, and of course partners. So guys, may staking dito. Sa mga hindi nakakalam, pwede kayo mag-hold ng Nicomium and earn rewards, no? So ayun guys, no? So may staking pool sila, you can stake. Sobrang big deal nito guys, no? So kung meron kang Nicomium token, ayun yung APY rate, no? So 200%. So, super high staking rewards, guys. So, after mo mabili ng token, you can stake. Ayan, 180 days. Hold mo lang yun yung rate, no? Of course, tignan mo rin kung tumatas yung value ng token para mabalanse mo kung saan ka kumikita talaga, no? So far, so good project, guys. Nicomium. Of course, nasa inyo pa rin magkano invest nyo, and nasa inyo pa rin papasok kayo dito. Always dear, guys. Ingat kayo mga boss. Have a nice day. Very nice project. Nicomium coin 1000x. Let's go, guys. Danjo Capital Master, the NFT King.